Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So, these are some of the PYREX glassware that my wife got from directly from PYREX. Actually, she was comparing the price on the Amazon. Somehow, Amazon is selling more expensive than PYREX directly. So, anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and then show you guys what it look like. So yeah, they pack it pretty well. Hopefully nothing get damaged. So here are the item numbers, item description, got the UPC code, order quantity, and then shipping quantity, and then the price, total price, locations. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. I believe one set's going to be as a gift, so these two are the same. It's a decorated storage. So I'm just going to open one of them. So one of it is 2 cup, 470 milliliter, and then second one is 4 cups, 950 milliliter. And then a 7 cup, 1.6 liter. So it says live, love, and then share. So this one says live. And then love. and share. And then come with 3 of these lids. And this one says enjoy. This one is the 6 cup, 1.5 liter. And this one says cheers. It's a 3 cups, 750 milliliter. This one is the PYREX meal box. Keep food separately. Keep food separate. So this is 2 pack. So this is cool. It's a lock. Make sure I don't drop it. This is a rubber seal. Then you got 2 of this. Check out this one, glass handle with care. Wow, look at that. Watermelon and popsicle, hot dog. And this one's the 4 cup 950 milliliter. Another one is the same thing. And another one same. And then this one's different, the same size. Laugh. Alright, let's go ahead and check out this last one right here. 3-piece measuring cup set. Wow, look at that. This one measures up to 16 ounce or 2 cups. And this one's up to 250 milliliter. So they got the milliliter or cups on one side. So this one's up to 500 milliliter. And this one is the biggest one, up to 1 quart. 32 ounce or 4 cups, 1000 milliliter. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.